Again, you can find your oil type and the dipstick located typically somewhere on the top part of the engine. So we have to jack the car up, you have to check the jack points, because if you don't, this could happen. So after jacking the car up, pay attention to your bolts, your clips here. Make sure you put them where you will be able to find them when the job is complete. Be careful not to break the clip here. If you do, you can probably find one on Amazon.
Yeah, baby.
Is he gonna start up under the car?
Yeah.
The struggle is real. This is your oil filter. You see I was able to just loosen it by hand. Make sure you are loosening it in the correct direction. Make sure you have your oil pan close by. Also, make sure your oil pan is big enough to hold the amount of oil for your engine. Again, a quick Google search. They have a oil filter wrench, but I typically I just tighten by hand. Make sure you wipe it down real good so you can see if there are any leaks. We used the torque wrench to make sure everything was done properly. Doesn't look like anything was leaking there. So we got our oil, got the correct type of oil. Make sure you don't let anything fall into the engine. No leaks. Nothing dripping. You want to start the car and let it run for a sec before checking the oil. There should be some indication there to let you know if the oil is to the full level. Check the mileage. If you're gonna do your oil changes yourself, get yourself a sticker. Mark down your mileage, your next service due date. And that's it. It's a wrap.